I'm going to show you how you can use Telegram without a phone number. Now, typically, and most of the time, you will need a phone number to actually log into Telegram. It's kind of like WhatsApp. It basically operates on phone numbers. If you don't have a phone number, you can't get in. But I do understand. So I'm going to show you a couple of methods where you can get phone numbers for absolutely free, or where you don't need to get it traditionally, right? Now, in the first method I'm going to show you is you have to go to the Google Play Store and you have to search up something called Google Voice. Now, basically, Google Voice is a customizable phone number in the cloud, right? So you can get a phone number on the cloud without actually getting an actual phone number with an actual SIM card or things like that, where whatever is blocking you from actually getting a phone number, like having a broken SIM tray or anything like that, will actually help you, right? So this is a customizable phone cloud on the cloud, right? So if you want to get this, just tap on install. Now, once you tap on install, let's just wait for it to install here, and it's pending here, right? Now, once you get this, some country isn't supported, but most of it is supported. Now, unfortunately, I'm one of the country that's not supported, but the sign up process is really easy. You just have to sign up with your actual Google account, and then you'll get your number, right? Now, let's just wait for it to install. Once it's installed, just tap on open. Now let's just go to open here. Let's open this up. And then once you open this up, you just have to sign in with your Google account here. You can see it'll just sign up with my Google account. And then once you sign in with your Google account, just go back to Telegram and then input in your number like that.